This is part 1 of my new series since I haven't uploaded in a long time, as in like 4 months or something. This is a game called Lynx Runners if you want to try it. It is very good. You may wonder why I have long arms, well, and that there. It gives you a mod menu. It has I stupid mod menu, but they're the same mods, but all the like people who work, like as in like staff and moderators, are mostly nice. There's only like one who like made like a comp server, but then like got removed from his own comp server, kind of called like THT Mac. He banned me one time for asking for a hug. Like, that's all the other people who's owners and stuff. This game has 3 owners, but they're co-owners, and the main owner is Lynx, because owners, co-owners and stuff. I've met a lot of people, including Lynx. Gorilla faces only you can see, but they have a few. These are the mods. All of them work in publics, but most of them are bannable and infections, so only do it in modded, because they don't have like thing. But they have VIP, 2 cosmetics that are free. Those are just custom. They don't do anything like special, but they have comp things, comp cosmetics. Yeah. They have a custom booster where you can get if you buy. They have green screens and stuff. Like, these change every like 2 or 3 updates, I think. OG cosmetics. You can buy every cosmetic except the staff cosmetics. I don't think you have to go into Discord to get those. Maybe you do. I don't know. There's nothing in 2nd or 3rd floor except like golden hat. It's like a very OG like update before any revamps except Munson's revamp. It doesn't have beach if you wanted this for beach. But here's a good thing. Here's a good thing for if you just want to have a good time. I don't mind those. They have a wee song menu. Only you can hear it. It's in your A button on your right controller. Only you can hear it. See? See? Yeah, you can, even if you have one hand, you can do that. The eyes, but it's basically the same mods as that, just Lynx Client has more. It does have comp, a few people playing comp, but it's mainly, they just mainly do scrims there. Yeah, these are the bannable mods. Oh yeah, don't mind, my name is RHM, I'm like one of the clans in the game. Yeah, these are the bannable mods. You can't use player IDs either because it gives higher preds. They do have rankings, but you have to get Lynx or one of like the staff to rank you. So don't be surprised if you see a lot of fakers saying like they're top on grind or something. And if you see someone using anything bannable, don't immediately report them. Ask them if they have permission. Because all staff, I think it's all staff, have a anti-report where if you report them, they do get reported, but you get banned for reporting them. I know I'm not banned anymore. I reported some staff. I just said, should I report you? Yeah, I wanted to be my 21st ban. Yes, I've been banned 21 times. They're all false except for one, which was for cheating because I forgot to take off Gorilla Car after being in the city lobby, which I'm fine with because it was only a day ban. My longest ban was a false ban for me getting accused of cheating again for Gorilla Car again. But I wasn't using Gorilla Car, I was just being very fast. And I got banned for a week or slightly more. Oh yeah, you're allowed to use most of it. It's the only speed boost. But a few people abuse like weak honey, like glitches where if they run while like turning in real life like that, like play space and using record collection, and like turn very sharply right or left, and then use the smooth turn to go the opposite way, they can like glitch and go like extra fast if they just spam it. Like kind of like that, but I don't know how to do it. And if there is someone being toxic, just report them. Yeah, there is custom materials we think right here. They do a virtual stumper only up. But I don't really know what else I can cover, but yeah. If you do download it, maybe I can get finger painter. I don't know. I'm in their Discord, so hopefully.